Hello, my name is Sydney, and I am the daughter of Ms. Montgomery, and today I will be teaching a lesson on origami. Origami is the art of folding paper. Origami itself means folding paper. Ori means fold, and gami means paper. It's a Japanese word, although origami itself originated in China. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a paper airplane, just like this one. It is one of the more simpler things to do in origami. When you get more complicated, you can do things like make a dinosaur, or a dragon, or a crane, and as these lessons progress, I will be doing more difficult art projects. But for today, I'm going to start with a paper airplane. All you need is a sheet of paper because origami does not require any cutting or pasting. So, you're going to start with your paper flat and landscape or long ways. And the first fold you're going to do is hot dog. So you're going to fold it the long ways, just like this. The more precise your folds, the better the plane will fly, but they don't have to be perfect. Okay, so the next fold we're going to do is we're going to take this corner and we're going to pull it down to here. So we line up this edge and this edge. So this edge and this one, just like this. And then you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. You're going to line up this edge with this one. So it makes a point. And then you're going to take this edge and line it up with the bottom once again, just like this. And you're going to do the same for the other side. And then you're going to do it one last time on each side with this really long edge coming down to meet the bottom edge. Just like this. And to show you that again on the other side, you're going to take this edge, you're going to fold it down to meet this edge. Just like this. And that is your paper airplane. So you're going to pick it up, you're going to fluff out your wings. It'll look like this on the bottom, like this on top. I find it looks a little plain. Sorry, that was someone else. I find that it looks a little plain, so I like to decorate mine by adding things like little flowers, or you could add smiley faces, you could add words. I like also to name mine, so I'm going to name this one The Car. Just like that. I might add some dots to it. And that's your plane. And you're going to hold it like this underneath with your pointer and thumb. And all you have left to do is go throw it at something. Around the room, for example. I will be doing more lessons like this in the future. So if you want to see other things to do with origami, please come watch.